Good morning to all of you. I am Pooja Singh. Today we are going to discuss about fuel cell. So what is fuel cell? Fuel cell is an electrochemical cell that convert the chemical energy of a fuel, hydrogen and oxygen into electricity. So this is the diagram of fuel cell. And there are four types of fuel cell. First one is alkaline fuel cell, second is phosphoric acid fuel cell, third is carbonate fuel cell, fourth is solid oxide fuel cell. So firstly we are going to discuss about alkaline fuel cell. So this is a diagram of alkaline fuel cell. This type of fuel cell was being introduced in the earlier 1960. So it has compressed hydrogen and oxygen fuel, potassium hydrogen KOH electrolyte. Efficiency is approx 70% and temperature required 150 to 200 degrees centigrade, and it required pure hydrogen fuel cell for the output of 300 watt to 5 kilowatt. So this one is phosphoric acid fuel cell, the diagram of phosphoric acid fuel cell. So it has phosphoric acid electrode, 40 to 80% efficiency, 150 to 200 degree centigrade temperature, and 11 megawatt unit has been tested. In that case, sulfur free gasoline can be used as a fuel, and it is expensive as compared to alkaline fuel cell. So molten carbonate fuel cell. So this is the diagram of molten carbonate fuel cell. It has efficiency almost 50% and it produce high power up to 100 megawatt. It can produce high power up to 100 megawatt. Thus they can be used as generation power plant. So next one is solid oxide fuel cell. This is diagram of solid oxide fuel cell. It can be operate at 1000 degree centigrade and used for very high energy sources. So there is advantages. This advantages of fuel cell: water is only discharged, pure hydrogen will use, high efficiency than conventional engine, excellence excellent part load characteristic, zero emission, and etc. Disadvantage: CO2 discharge with molten reform. Pure hydrogen is difficult to handle, the basic disadvantage, and little more efficient than alternatives. So, what is the application of fuel cell? Can be used for power resource in remote area, can be used to provide off-grid power supply. It can be applicable for both hybrid and electric vehicles, wastewater treatment plant and landfilling, cellular phone, laptop and computer. It also applicable in hospital, bus, car, plane, boat, etc. So this is all about fuel cell. Thank you.